Today we have an exciting unboxing and review for you. We will be checking out the iGear Raptor Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This keyboard is packed with features that make it perfect for gaming and typing. Let's dive right in. The box has a seal that says do not accept. If seal is broken, don't worry. I broke the seal myself because I've been rigorously testing the keyboard for the past 5 days to give you the best review possible. Now let's see what's inside this sleek package. Alright, let's start with unboxing. The iGear Raptor comes in sleek packaging showcasing the keyboard design and key features. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First up, we have the iGear Raptor keyboard looking sharp and ready for action. Alongside, we have a user manual and a 1.5 meter anti-lag Type-C to USB cable. I love it when manufacturers throw these extras. It shows they care about the user experience. This is a 60% keyboard layout, which means it's compact, saving your desk space while it's providing all essentials keys you need. It feels solid and the build quality is impressive and the design is sleek and modern. Let's get a closer look. On the back you find adjustable feet to change the typing angle, which is super handy for those long hours up at the desk. Plus the rubber pads keep it firm. Check out these keycaps. They are made from a durable material that feels great to touch. The mechanical switches offer that satisfying clicky feedback we all love, with a lifespan of 50 million keystrokes. Alright, time for quick typing test. I will typing a short passage so you can see and hear the performance of iGear Raptor. Listen to this. These keys are smooth and responsive, perfect for both gaming marathons and heavy typing. Now let's talk about the RGB lighting. The iGear Raptor comes with 23 customizable light modes, all controllable via the iGear software. Whether you want a subtle glow or a full-on light show, this keyboard has got you covered. Look at those colors. The lighting is vibrant and adds a fantastic touch to your gaming setup. It's not about looks, it's about creating an immersive gaming experience. All in all, the iGear Raptor Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is winner in my book. It combines solid build quality, responsive and durable switches, stunning RGB lighting, and 1.5 meter anti-lag Type-C cable. I do wish the cable felt a bit more premier at the price of 1,500. It's fantastic deal. If you are looking for new mechanical keyboard, the iGear Raptor is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's unboxing and review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment and hit subscribe for more awesome tech review and unboxing. Thanks for watching.